Fifth grade. What's up? Yeah, we are on week 5 of this online teaching stuff, and I think we're getting the hang of it, guys. 5 weeks in, finally getting the hang of it. Well, today we are going to start lesson 4.8, zeros in the product, which is really just multiplying decimals, except that they're trying to teach you that when you have a blank loop, you just add a 0. So, not too bad. Again, blank loop, add a 0. And you'll hear me saying that quite often this lesson. So let's get started. Page 191. Students are racing typical garden snails and measuring the distance the snails travel in 1 minute. Chris's snail travels a distance of 2/10 foot. Jamie's snail travels 4/10 time as far as Chris's snail. How far does Jamie's snail travel? We are going to be multiplying 4/10 and 2/10. So here we have our problem. What we're going to do is we're just going to multiply normally, and then at the end, we're going to deal with our loops. So we're going to skip all those steps 1, 2, and 3 on the side, and let's just do it this way because it's a lot easier and it's a lot faster. Let's go ahead. So 2 times 4 gives us 8. And now we count our loops. So we have 1 loop here and 1 loop here. So we have to add 2 loops. So we're going to start here like we always do, and we're going to go 1, 2 loops. Now again, notice we have a blank loop. In the blank loops, we're going to put 0. All right? So our answer is, so Jamie's snail travels a distance of 8/100ths. On the next page where it says example, it says just multiply 2/10 and 30 cents, I guess, because it's not 3/10, it's 30 cents. So let's go ahead and write it out. All right, here we have 30 cents times 2/10. We're just going to multiply normally and again deal with our loops later. So 2 times 0 gives us 0. 3 times 2 gives us 6, and we don't even have to do this one. Who cares? Or I guess we could. But 2 times 0, 0. All right, now let's count our loops. We have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to start here and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now this 0, we don't really have to write it in just because it's at the end of the number, so we can just assume that they're all zeros. So you can write it 2 ways, okay? I'll accept if you do. Remember, we always need our $sign because we have dollars. So you could write like this, or you can write it like that. I will take either one of those, or you could even write it like that. Any one of these I will take. They all say the same thing. It all says that it is 6 cents. All right, I'm on the try this at the bottom of page 192. What we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna multiply first, and then we'll deal with our loops later. So let's go ahead and do this. 5 times 2 gives us 10. Look at that, done. So let's count our loops. We have 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna start here. 1, 2, 3. Again, we have a blank loop, which means that we're going to add a 0. So my answer is 0.010, or you could write 0.01. Either one of those. What steps did you take to find the product? We multiplied first, then counted our decimal places. Again, we multiplied first, then counted our decimal places. Okie dokie, you can go ahead and skip numbers 16 and 17. Again, you're going to skip numbers 16 and 17 in the lesson today. Best of luck, you guys got this. Panda, 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 Panda Family Productions. Hello, parents of the 5th grade. Hola, padres de quinto grado. Today, we're going to be doing multiplication with decimals, but with adding zeros in our answer. Hoy vamos a hacer multiplicación de decimales, pero vamos a estar agregando ceros en nuestra respuesta. So to show you, we're just going to multiply normally, and then at the end, we count our loops. Para enseñarles el proceso es que vamos a multiplicar como hacemos normalmente, y luego al final es cuando vamos a poner nuestras curvas o donde va el decimal. So let me go ahead and show you. Les voy a enseñar para ejemplo. We multiply normally, and then we count 1, 2. Multipliqué normalmente y luego al final conté mis lugares. Y allí agregué 2 curvas porque tuve 2 curvas allí. And the same thing over here. Y lo mismo aquí. 4 times 3, 4 por 3, gives us 12, nos da 12. And now I can count my loops. Y ahora puedo contar mis curvas. So I have 1, 2, tengo 2 aquí. plus 2 more, más 2 más, which gives us 4, que nos da 4. So I'm going to start here, voy a comenzar aquí, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Y voy a contar 4. Now, the big thing here is that when they have loops that are like this, that are blank, la cosa aquí es cuando tienen curvas que están en blanco, that's when I'm going to add a 0. Ahí es donde voy a agregar ceros. And that's what they're doing in the lesson today. Y eso es lo que están haciendo en la lección hoy. As always, parents, I am available for you via text message, via email, via Google Hangouts. However you need to contact me, I am here for you to help you with any of our lessons or anything that you might have any questions with. Como siempre, padres, yo estoy disponible aquí para ustedes. Me pueden mandar mensaje por texto, correo electrónico, mensaje en Google Hangouts. Con todo que tengan pregunta, duda, lo que sea, estoy aquí disponibles para ustedes. And for anyone else who is watching, who is not in my normal classroom, if you would like to see any videos on any other content, please drop a comment. Let me know, and I would be more than willing to help you out and make a video. Y para ustedes que están viendo que no son padres en mi clase, si me pueden dejar un comentario abajo de los videos y me pueden dejar saber cuál video quieren ver o qué necesitan, cuál concepto necesitan ayuda, yo les puedo ayudar y les voy a hacer un video. Thank you for watching. Gracias por ver mis videos and have a great day. Y que tengan un día fabuloso.